Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over at the allotment today, getting a few jobs done, but I'm going to be planting carrots and parsnips today. So it's 20th of March, first day of spring, and it's 17 degrees. Absolutely beautiful day, a very light breeze, which is nice. So first things first, give you a quick look around and show you the bed where the parsnips and the carrots are going. Stuff over at the poison, you can see there, those brassicas. Just giving them water. They're going on a shelf in the poison. Well, they're ready planted out any time soon. First load of potatoes. As you can see, they're starting to come through. These three are an experiment. One's got 4 seed potatoes, one's got 2, and one's got 1. Different video. We'll see what the difference is. So subscribe if you want to see that. You can see potatoes are coming through. Some spring onions there. Ted. So over here, we've got last year's Brussels sprouts, lots of them. I'll be harvesting, blanching and freezing those soon, don't want them to bolt. Weeding that bed, as you can see it drastically needs weeding. And brassicas going in there. Onion bed needs a good weed, onions are going in there, probably tomorrow, next day. Garlic's going off nicely. That's planting October, the majority of it. And the rhubarb is doing beautiful. Anyway, this bed here, so I'm going to get the weed in, half it's going to be parsnips, half it's going to be carrots, and then we're going to net it. I'm going to do a video when I prepared this bed. I used this tool. It's kindly sent to me by a company, I'll link it in the description. It's a lawn leveller and it's good for levelling compost out on no dig beds. I will put that video on the screen up here at the end of this video. Sorry for squinting, the sun is right in my eyes. Anyway, first things first, I'll weed this bed. I have trouble with this bed with stinging nettles, I can't get rid of them. I'll try and pull those young stinging nettles out. And then we'll get carrots and the parsnips on. I'm going to be doing a lot more weeding around the plot today. What I tend to do is get one of these big buckets, collect the weeds, put them in the bucket, and it saves multiple trips to the compost heap. What I do, I can't seem to completely get rid of those stinging nettles in this bed, even when I pull them up by the roots. That's by the root, but I guarantee you they'll come back. So what I'm going to do then, I'm quickly going to go over the bed. Level it out. Okay, I won't edit that out. That was the wind, blew the camera over. Leave that in, eh? When it's fallen over, it snaps the microphone off of the little stand. So it's super glue on that. When I get home. In the meantime, I'm bouncing my mic on there. to do is I'm going to make some furrows. Because this compost is quite soft, I'm going to use a stick like this. Got nice definitive rows. So now we've got our furrows. I'm going to do half parsnips, half carrots. Start with the parsnips. These parsnips are a variety called white gem. You see, they come with a little tag. So I'll leave that little tag in there. I always forget to mark my vegetables up, always. Now parsnip seeds are quite big, so they're easy to spread along in your furrows fairly evenly. And I'll try and fill any gaps that I've missed. Because I don't really want to throw any seeds, so any spare seeds I'll randomly throw them on there. Then what we're going to do is just go along, cover our furrows. Quick update mid-video. If you have been following my van conversion, I'm still on with it. I'll be over there doing a video tomorrow probably. I've just fallen behind my videos, that's all. So if you subscribe for that, then I'm still on with that van conversion. The carrots I'm planting today are these. Chantney Red Cord Supreme. So what I'm going to do, is carrot seeds are quite small, so to that end I'm going to get a handful of compost, a handful of loose compost. Mix the carrot seeds evenly throughout that loose compost. And then what we're going to do is take our loose compost and sprinkle a handful of it into each furrow. And this way, hopefully, we'll get even seed distribution. Not as much thinning out. There we go. Now what we're going to do, same thing again. Last but not least, water them in. I don't know when we're going to get, next time we're going to get rain is. We'll give them a good soaking. This is a 14 litre watering can. Okay, so it's had 2 watering cans full of water. Now it's netted. I will bring you back periodically through the season and show you how they're getting on. Right, so I'm going to hang about now, do a bit of weeding around the allotment, a few other little jobs. If you want to see the video where I prepared that bed I'll put it up here. If you want to see more gardening videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.